Nano Banana versus Seedream. Two frontrunners in creative AI. One for lightning-fast image edits, the other for show-stopping, high-res art. Which one really delivers? On the left, Nano Banana, precision AI for creative, fast image editing. And on the right, Seedream, high-fidelity art and seamless video generation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, so here's the mind map of everything we're going to look at. Output quality, speed, editing features, how they handle prompts, cost, and free access, and the overall ecosystem or integrations. Basically, everything that matters if you're serious about AI image and video stuff. Let's roll through each one. First up, output quality. Nano Banana, it's honestly pretty impressive here. You get really sharp details. Images look almost real, and if you're using recurring characters, it nails their consistency. Only thing, resolution tops out at 2048 by 2048, so not exactly Ultra HD, and sometimes the style transfers feel a bit restrained. Now, Seedream? Oh, and here's something cool. It goes up to true 4K, like ultra-sharp visuals, textures pop, and you get the choice between more photorealistic or wild artistic modes. Yeah, high-res stuff takes a little longer, but the fidelity, next level. If you want raw quality, Seedream just edges ahead on this one. Switching gears to speed. Nano Banana? This thing's fast. Like, honestly, it's doing most of the work right on your device and usually spits out results in under 15 seconds. Sure, that's for lower resolutions, but for daily creativity, it's lightning. Seedream, while it's not a slowpoke overall, things get a bit sloggy with higher res and batch stuff. It's still solid for most jobs, but Nano Banana definitely wins the speed race. If you need results yesterday, that's your pick. Let's talk editing features. Nano Banana gives you really granular control, masking, dialing in character details, and it actually remembers your changes from session to session. It's awesome for building scenes. Like, if you're into 3D or visual stories, it's super intuitive. The catch, its multi-image fusion isn't quite as slick. Now, for Seedream, multi-image fusion is a total standout. Plus, you've got style transfer, batch edits, and it even lets you slap text over things. That said, sometimes you spend more time finessing your prompts. All in all, they both have their strengths, so honestly, it's a tie in this category. Quick pause. Did you know Seedream 4.0 can generate a photorealistic 4K portrait in just seconds? Like, that's wild for AI art in 2025. Talk about setting new records for speed and realism. Prompt handling. Now this is a biggie for AI art people. So Nano Banana does great with complicated, multi-step instructions. It even manages abstract stuff with some logical flair. Every now and then it falls short if things get super intricate though. Seedream, meanwhile, is awesome if you want to push boundaries. Complex edits with top text rendering, multi-reference images, and it can even pull in stuff like charts and labels from your prompts. There's a tiny learning curve with its advanced features, but it's totally worth it. Winner here is Seedream for sheer flexibility. Money talks, right? When it comes to free plans and pricing, Nano Banana is, well, kind of unbeatable. Unlimited use. No hoops for beginners or pros. Just hop in and make your stuff. Can't complain. Seedream is good too. You get free credits through CapCut, and basic generation for images or video is totally open. But to get all the sexy advanced features, yeah, you have to pay up. Bottom line, Nano Banana keeps things most accessible. Final category, ecosystem and integration. Nano Banana works super seamlessly with the Gemini app, and it's honestly great for designers or anyone making digital art, but no built-in video editing. That's a bummer for some. On the flip side, Seedream is like built for content creators. You get deep connections with TikTok and CapCut, support for full-on video and avatar creation, and it's tailored for influencers or social peeps. You'll need ByteDance's software for the very best tools, though. So, for full creative integration, this round goes to Seedream. All right, imagine all those categories plotted out. Speed, output quality, editing, everything. When you see it as a radar chart, you get this sharp, clear difference where Seedream wins on quality and integration, but Nano Banana smokes the competition on speed and free access. It really depends what matters most for you. So, big question, which one's best? If you're going for rapid, detailed image creation, and you just want it easy every day, Nano Banana is definitely your vibe. If you care about cinematic level resolution, photorealistic art, and integration with all your social content, Seedream 4.0 is hard to beat. Basically, pick the one that matches your creative workflow, whether it's speed or insane versatility. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.